this is Chanel with WTI, and my husband and I game with this Alienware mouse. I love how the mouse, it's not too large, not too small. It's able to comfortably support my husband's hand or mine even as well. And the buttons on top, the layout is customizable as well, the way the buttons work. And of course, the first thing you notice is the cool light effect. And those lights, they change color, and the patterns can even change to like a slow or fast or even like a breathing effect kind of pattern. And there's customizable DPI settings. Like, it's just a very customizable mouse, which is so nice because this again is used for gaming purposes for my husband and also for me. And then with that thought in mind, it is actually very comfortable to hold. There's a lip for your thumb so that while you're playing, even if it's for an extended period of time, your thumb doesn't fall off, which is good for me because my hands get very clammy. And it's nice to look at, easy to hold. It's a overall great mouse to use. And that is why we'll continue to use this Alienware desk mouse, and that is my point of view.